How to add live crypto prices as iPhone widget. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in the name of the application you want to download. For example, Crypto Price Widget. From the results, select the CoinMarketCap app as shown. Here, tap on Get to download this app. After it is downloaded, tap on Open to open the app. Once you're here, tap on Login to log in your account. Now, go back to your home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Here, scroll down and select CoinMarketCap as shown. Swipe to view and choose the layout that you want and then tap on Add Widget. After that, tap on Done above. You have now successfully added the CoinMarketCap widget to the home screen. Following these steps, you can easily add live crypto prices as iPhone widget.